In this tutorial, we'll learn about the select statement, how it is used to retrieve data from database tables, and how to display specific information. Select retrieves data from one or more tables, allowing users to view specific columns and records stored in a database. Select column 1. Column 2 from table name means to retrieve and display the data from column 1 and column 2 in the specified table name. It shows only the selected columns instead of all the data in the table. We will use a financial table example containing transaction ID, transaction date, transaction type, and amount columns. Let's select the transaction ID, transaction date, and amount columns from the finance table. The result shows the selected columns from the table, displaying the specific data requested by the select statement. You have completed the tutorial on the select statement and learned how to retrieve and view data from a database table.